Another video here with SirMaloPerformance. We're working on Project Redemption's seal. Okay, so we want to see this side, right, on this side. And this side, the one with all these little ridges, that lip, we want it on the other side because it's got a sleeve over the crank. So all we're going to do is just flip this sucker around. I have to reuse it because I don't have a new one right now. This is the new one. It was just mounted improperly. Things happen like this when you're just kind of in a hurry. But it's okay. What I'm going to do, let me do it without the rag. That way you guys can see. So I just want to... It's lubricated because it's rubber, guys. So it'll rip. It'll rip on you. Pry it off gently. If you guys have the money to buy another one. In the middle, there we go, boy. See? And just like that, that's why I say use a lot of lube. Cranks here, right? Your flywheel bolts go on. So we put it on like this. I'm gonna also take the blame. We're gonna not do this again. We're gonna turn this sucker around. Grab my rubber. Down the middle. Right here, and then over here, it goes away. So I have to keep going. I'm gonna call this good. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. But all right, let's move on to installing this. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some RTV sealant. It only goes in one way, because if you turn it this way, it doesn't work, right? All right. Glad you guys are awake. I'm going to torque this down to spec.